The Holocaust comes from two Greek words, holos meaning bird and kostos meaning whole. This was used to describe a sacrificial offering on an altar until 1945, when it was used to describe the mass murder of 6 million Jews. The Holocaust was known as Hitler's final solution. Hitler became the Nazi leader of Germany during World War II. He believed that the Jews, disabled, homosexuals, gypsies, and Jehovah's Witnesses were inferior to the Germans and should be exterminated. The Holocaust began in April of 1933. At first, Jews were just excluded, but it became much more than that. Jews were then forced to wear the yellow Star of David, indicating that they were a Jew and for Germans to know not to associate with them. Jews were then forced to live in ghettos, neighborhoods full of Jews, gypsies, homosexuals, disabled, and Jehovah's Witnesses. Later, Jews were then transported to concentration camps by what is known as a boxcar. Most children were suffocated in the boxcars because they were so cramped. Jews were then taken to concentration camps to work. They were often starved, used for medical experiments against their will, and then killed off. The easiest means of killing was by the gas chambers. The gas chambers made it easy, and they could kill several hundred at a time. At the end of the Holocaust, it's estimated that 11 million people were killed, 6 million being Jews, which was two-thirds of the Jewish population in Germany at the time. At Auschwitz, one of the worst concentration camps there was, 1.1 million were killed. In these concentration camps, they got no food. Their beds were simply wood, not a blanket either. They were cramped to where people didn't even have beds and ended up sleeping on top of each other.